This video explains the first few steps you should carry out once you've started your AFM exam and the exam timer has begun to count down. Let's start. Here we are at question 1. Rather than starting immediately on the first question, we recommend that you skim through all of the questions in order to see what's in each one, to get a feel for the whole exam. Here are the requirements for question 1. You can move and resize the window and scroll down the requirements if you need to. Selecting Next will take you to section B. Here's an overview of section B. We'll move on to question 2. And here are the requirements for question 2. Selecting Next again will take you to question 3. Here's question 3. As an alternative, you can select the Navigator button. This will give you a list of all the questions in the exam. So, if we select question 1 now, we go straight back to it. This makes it very easy for you to skim through the requirements and get a good picture of the exam. It's very much like flicking through the pages of a written exam. We recommend taking just 2 or 3 minutes on this step before getting on with the questions themselves. You should also record how long you're going to spend on each question. This will set you up properly for the next 3 hours and help you avoid running out of time. So, open the Scratchpad and use it to make a note of the question timings. You should spend around 1.8 minutes per mark. That means you need to allocate 90 minutes to question 1. And you need to allocate 45 minutes for each of questions 2 and 3. Now let's begin to look in more detail at question 1. The right-hand side of the screen gives a brief description of what is contained in each of the exhibits that you'll need to use to answer the question. Notice how the overview matches the list of exhibits on the left of the screen. This consistent terminology is deliberate and is intended to make it as easy as possible for you to locate the information you need to answer the question.